Aromatherapy shower gels. If you're anything like me, you're usually giving kids a bath instead of giving yourself a bath. Also, I found that I'm actually not a huge fan of baths. Bath bombs kind of gross me out. You also don't get to relax after the bath because you're usually showering off some weird gel or glitter or any kind of weird seaweed. So with these aromatherapy shower gels, you just pop them in, take your shower, and enjoy.
To start, we are going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. While it's preheating, in a mixing bowl, you're going to start with a mixture of 2 cups of baking soda. Then add 1/2 cup of water and start stirring the mixture until you get a texture similar to wet sand. Don't be afraid to just get in there with your hands and make sure everything is well incorporated. Next, spoon the mixture into the molds, making sure to press each spoonful firmly into the mold to solidify during the baking process. Take the excess around the edges and add and press into the tablets that are not filled to the top completely. Once that is completed, place the tray into the oven and bake for 15 to 17 minutes. While that is baking, you can create a decorated jar to store the tablets. All you need is a mason jar, some fabric, and ribbon. Put the fabric to a single layer. I used the paper piece that was folded inside the cloth to help measure the size square I wanted as a lid for the mason jar. Once it's cut, go ahead and screw on the lid and size the ribbon to fit around the jar with extra length for a bow. My daughter loves owls, so I picked out an owl fabric and ribbon special for her. When it's time to start settling down for bed and shower time, she gets excited to open her special shower jar. It's now time to check on the tablets. Once the time is up, remove from the oven. While they are still hot, add the essential oil drops into each tablet. I'm using 5 to 6 drops each of Eucalyptus and Lavender per tablet, but feel free to use your preference of oils. Once they have cooled completely, they can be removed from the mold and placed into your preferred storage container. Place them somewhere dry. I like to keep them with my extra towels so my towels will soak in that wonderful scent. To use the tablets, get your shower to the preferred temperature, add 1 to 2 tablets to the floor, and shower as usual. The steam will release the oil and create your spa shower experience. Enjoy!